Who doesn't love taking a dip in the pool? But why should you only enjoy your pool in the daytime? Put the finishing touches on your poolscape by lighting it up. Whether you want to brighten a path to welcome you in, emphasize a landscape feature, or create a sense of safety, Volt Lighting has everything you need. Here are 4 lighting ideas to liven up your poolscape. Number 1, path lights. Paths and walkways not only look better when lit up, but they're also safer. One of the more popular options to illuminate the pathways to your pool or deck around it are path lights. Path lights are great for increasing the visibility of walkways and adding a layer of safety to your pool. These lights aren't just good for walkways, they also accentuate the surrounding areas by illuminating your landscape. Number 2, spot and floodlights. You work hard to make sure the areas around your pool look great, so why not see them at night? Spotlights can be used to highlight any prominent plants or architectural elements such as pillars or statues. Floodlights are similar, but are better for applications when you want a more widespread light. Some instances where you may want a floodlight would be hedges, walls, or signs. Number 3, Lanai Lights. Don't let a pool cage limit you. We offer 2 varieties of Lanai Lights that are specifically designed to be mounted to your pool cage. The Lusitano Mini Lanai Light is similar to a spotlight and can be used for both uplighting and downlighting. One of the great ways to use these is to mount them higher on a pool cage, pointing down to illuminate the deck below. Our brass Lanai Light features a frosted PVC lens for subtle diffused light. Mounting brass directly to aluminum can result in galvanic corrosion, so we pre-install a plastic boot on both of these fixtures to ensure your pool cage stays pristine. Number 4, colored bulbs and RGBW fixtures. If you want a pop of personalization, check out our colored LED bulbs and RGBW fixtures. Whether you want to show some team spirit, some holiday cheer, or just set the mood, we have exactly what you need to make your poolscape pop. Colored bulbs are available in blue, green, orange, and red. Since our bulbs are made specifically for damp locations, they are a perfect fit for the backyard with a pool. Our RGBW fixtures have 16 balanced colors to choose from. Simply point and click to adjust the color and brightness of each light. We hope we gave you some inspiration on how you can bring your backyard poolscape to life with landscape lighting. If you have any questions about lighting a poolscape or lighting in general, feel free to leave us a comment or call us at 813-978-3700. Our lighting experts are on hand 7 days a week. For more inspiration on how to light your backyard, check out this playlist here.